what's up y'all? Welcome back to another video. For today's video, we're going to be installing my brand new Sparco wheel and quite possibly NRG quick release. All this stuff came from Neo Garage, but it also came from my beebs, you know what I'm saying? This right here is my Valentine's Day present, so how about we install this bad boy of him? Now my current steering wheel is a D&D wheel that I received a little over a year ago. I say like a year and probably like 3 months ago, or maybe not even a full year yet. But man, like I hate to say anything negative about these people because they're good people, but like, dude, this steering wheel, like, look at this.
That shit is fucking trash.
It's actually quite scary if something were to happen to me and this wheel, like, the way it flexes, like, it's not a quality wheel, man. The material of the wheel in general was like a really good wheel, but the sun killed that, so. But like, just the quality, like, to, you know, you can bend your steering wheel, is just, it's sad. Like, I could probably break it if I wanted to, but I might try to say that you have him. So we're gonna loosen it from the hub. This is what, probably like 4 mil Allen head bolts that we gotta loosen out, or screws, and we can install our new one, boy. I might install the quick release as well. I'm not sure. Maybe. I don't know. I guess we'll see when we get to it, but let's get this wheel off and get the new wheel on. This right here is Generation 2.0 quick release playboy. So I guess we're gonna go ahead and install the quick release. So why not? I never had a quick release setup, so I think it'd be pretty cool. Basically, that's it. Now all I have to do now is adjust the wheel to be straight and then get like a center cap, because that right there, bonk. But Sparco gang, playboy, playboy.
Round turn around, going around town. The one doing all the murder around town. Pulling up, shoot the murder downtown. Shoot it like a bird, like
Boy, Dale's on all four, back rolling. Yeah, I essentially got the same pulley you got now. And, but how the hell? You guys can't even see. Hold on. So this is Dale's. Oh, it plugs into the mount. Oh, that's how that goes. Damn, it looks pretty good like that though. I like it. He can shave all that down. That looks pretty good. That looks pretty good right there. All right, going for a ride in Dale's whip. How you like the shifter so far, Dale? Shit nice?
It's nice, huh? I didn't get to bang no gears.
Yeah, I want to see how you really feel about
it. But this train won't let you know.
Huh?
If you're going first, it's like you gotta fucking
brand it, yeah.
You gotta shift earlier.
Damn, Dale. I recorded that shit. Damn, Dale, man.
Take your time, bro. That's it.
Man, that clear coat did a good ass job, bro. Bolt still there. Wow. OEM for the win, bro. To wrap it up for this video. I would have closed it out last night, but bro, I was tired. So we're gonna close it out today, and come to find out, my brand new rack is gone. So now I'm on the search for an EG part out so I can get a manual rack and also the steering knuckle from an EG or an EK. Anything with a manual rack. So if any of you guys have those items in Florida and would love to contribute to the build, then please get in my inbox, playboy. You know what I'm saying? I need something. If you got an EK part out with a manual rack, all I need is the steering knuckle from the EK. From an EG, I need the rack and pinion itself, but I'll probably just buy that one. But I need the steering knuckle most importantly, and my man Sean Skid's gonna take care of me and get that all situated. So yeah, I need another rack, bro. I should have went manual rack the first time. I didn't know why I wanted to keep a power rack in the car when I should have just went manual. But now, lesson learned, you live and learn, you hear me? But other than that, the car is officially dialed. I can beat the heck out of it. So man, I'm just so happy, bro. Like, my car is beyond dialed right now. Like, it is dialed, bro. Car is moving. You guys seen in the footage, my car is moving, playboy. Shout out to my man Jason over at Prestige Motorsports. Hit him up if you need a tune. He only tunes Honda. And that is gonna wrap it up for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to look out for the next video, because the next video I'm actually picking up my new build. Oh, I can't wait. And as always, thank you for your time. Thank you guys for watching today's video. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, comment down below, and I will catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.